go. This is absolutely ridiculous. Instead of being at the high school, we're all in this weird parking lot across from Clendenin's. And there's like no B&B. And I guess everyone has to pee in a bush. Oh yeah. Flop it around. Flopping it around. Bum. People are conversing. Oh yeah. It's a people-y event. A people-y event. I'm gonna keep pouring in. Oh my god. I'm gonna pull like yellow and black fiddler right there. I can tell this is gonna be interesting. Why? Why? I got some putty in my head and I bought some funky candy to throw out while I drive along like a whacker. Last year I spent $30 on candy and I got like 3 face paints. It didn't pan out. I'm gonna keep on receipt for tax return. I've been to a couple Making videos for fun.
Buy a pizza, use the bathroom.
Videos for fun.
Like there.
Oh my god.
And the pizza was all ready, and I mean it was meant to be.
He's not my girl. We're like 20 minutes out or something. It's supposed to start at 6, but it never does. It's always like late. It really always is. Lemon yellow. I was gonna check out of this event, but like I registered late and they got me for another 20, and then yeah, you know, it's good for me to get out of the house. People event, woo woo woo. Yay! Making of a video. Content creating. Why? Like that weird baby blue color. Oh good. Oh no. One's like, well, these people are wearing red matching. That's fun. Oh. Wow. Chaos ensues. If I wasn't lazy, I'd take my T-tops out, but it's cold tonight, and so I'm just like not going to. Yeah. It's just been too much effort after hay season, and then the flipping rodeo, and now the auto rum. I think I'm burnt out, and like, yeah. I think after this might be Wildwood days, like, oh. I just want to like take a nap for a month and like lay down and die. Maybe tomorrow. Wait, no, I can't tomorrow. Woo woo. Woo woo. People are festive. I want this video to be too long. Just kidding of a video because I'm going to be driving and I have no sidekick in my car. I'm a one-man show. Over and out, we're done here.